Today, we buy breakfast from the river itself.
Here, the signboard is a fruit on a stick.
Buy what's in season and still cool from the night.
Crunch is an ingredient too.
Listen, freshness has its own sound.
Shopping becomes navigation.
By sunrise, the river has already fed a city.
Now we cook with what the river and gardens gave us.
If it doesn't belong here, it doesn't enter the pot.
This is the gentle sour, deep, not sharp.
One bruise and the kitchen wakes up.
Sour first, sweetness next. Then everything finds balance.
Let the fish stay tender, no rushing.
A soup can smile. This is how.
Last-minute greens so they stay alive.
It's the Delta, bright, warm, and comforting.
A dark caramel makes the fish taste deeper, not sweeter.
Salt meets coconut. Suddenly, it's silky.
From boat to bowl, nothing travelled far, and it tastes like it.
On land, the river's flavors keep going.
These greens are the soundtrack of every bite.
Here is the tamarind and sugar for you.
Thank you very much. Balance starts at the stall.
Same region, endless combinations.
Listen, this batter tells you when it's ready.
That sound is the promise of crunch.
Fresh greens keep it light, even when it's rich. In the Delta, you build your own perfect mouthful.
One dip can change the whole story.
Crunch, then herbs, like a fresh reset.
Local ingredients taste better when they're shared.
Now we chase the ingredient you can't cook without. Rice.
Every dish begins here, long before the stove.
Good rice smells like sunshine and straw. Field or flour or food. Simple, relentless.
This purple isn't decoration, it's tradition. Every grain takes on the hue of the garden. A good wrap is a quiet kind of skill.
It's not just a cake, it's architecture.
Too loose and it leaks, too tight and it cracks.
This is the Delta's slow clock.
Tomorrow, the river sells breakfast again.
Everything we ate came from someone's hands nearby.
These rules work anywhere if you honor the locals.
One last taste is waiting in the dark.
The Delta repeats, but never exactly.
Same river, new bargains.
Even the coffee tastes like patience here.
That smell? That's why we came back. Breakfast here can crackle.
Crisp happens in seconds, then it's gone. Light, crunchy, and still steaming.
That crunch is the river's applause. That's what local feels like. Close, personal.
Soup tastes like a whole morning of people.
In Cần Thơ, distance is the enemy of flavor. The ingredients don't travel far here.
Me, your Delta must eat. I'll chase it next.
A fruit on a stick and a whole world behind it. See you at sunrise. If you remember one thing, remember this sour warmth.
Sweet, sour, herbal. Repeat.
Come on, see you next meal.
Good food leaves calm behind.
Bộ bánh tét, dỗ pig.
The Delta's still cooking, somewhere out there. Behind every bite, someone up before dawn.
Freshness is a cycle.
Meet me here again, before the sun.